Today is Friday the 12th of January 2018. I'm at Stuttgart at the CMT Trade Fair. This is the evening before the event starts. You can hear parties in the background, people tidying up as well, people enjoying themselves, but not as much as me, as I'm now looking at motorhomes, particularly this fantastic 803F from Rapido, which is under 6 meters in length. In fact, it's 594 centimeters. And start off at the garage, remembering how small it is, and look at all that space you've got in there, and you can see from the step how big the double floor is. You've even got a bit more space around there as well. You've got your charger in there, so that's great. But let's come inside and have a look. But before doing that, we'll have a quick look at some of the details. Length 594 centimeters, width 235, and height 289 centimeters, and it's thanks to that height that it gives us this sense of space which is inside. This version will cost 69,200 euros. Kick-off price is 65,200, and let's have a look inside. Now, coming here, we've got this bed at the back. It's in a widthwise direction. It's an non-conventional shape, so if you need to get another mattress, that may be a little bit difficult, but it's a non-conventional shape to give you more space inside. So 2 lockers above the bed. There's only one window, which is on the right hand side. Above the window we've got a bit of storage for books and things of that nature, as we have above the bed over here. It's useful to put your glasses up there at night when you've been reading. On this side we've got your toilet there with a sensible sliding door. What do you think we've got here? Got a sink, got a big mirror, there's me. Toilet down here. Got this should you want to stop the toilet getting wet when you're in the shower. Got a duck board as well. I like duck boards. Storage under here. On one side we've got hanging space, and the other we've got 2 shelves. On the left we've got this tower fridge. But are you thinking that the step up might be too big? Well, in that case you pull this out. You've got a step up to your bed there. Other than that, the floor is completely flat, which is great. You're not going to be tripping up, hopefully. Now, there's your kitchen. And what have you got here? Well, you've got 2 burners. You don't want 3. You don't need 3. Well, you possibly don't need 3. I mean, you might need 6 for all I know, but you've only got 2 here. And there you've got a sink. Of course, more burners, you need more space. And in this van, space has been very cleverly used. Very deep. Drawers, get lots of stuff in there, as you will up here. Extractor, which actually I missed the extractor when I looked at this earlier. Got a bit of space under the floor. Look how deep that is. That shows the depth of the double floor, which if you had missed it in the garage and in the step up. See, lots of storage down there. Bit more storage there. Not a lot, but difficult think what you're going to put in there unless you're a wine collector or something. Let's look at this space here. Now, there's an extra bed up there, but should you not want an extra bed, what you can do is you can get lockers instead. put all the way around. And I think that'd be more sensible, because unless you're sleeping with your partner, or not sleeping with your partner, then in most cases, I know from experience, people don't tend to use extra beds. If your objective is to get as many beds as you can into a small van, then okay, well, you might want to try one with about 5 beds in or something. Anyway, just some ideas there. Now, integrated van, so you've got plenty of space down there should you want to put stuff up when you're in on the campsites, for example plants and things. I do that. I mean, maybe not everybody does that. I also like this sort of sideboard. I say sort of sideboard, it isn't really a sideboard, it's a sort of place you sort of keep coins and things in. Oh, so I'm going to have a sit down now and admire the van. Look how much space there is as well around the table. Television's quite high actually, but then again, you know, it's because of, you'd have to, I think, put the chair back a bit to look up at it comfortably. But you know, it's again, it's using the height of the vehicle for maximum advantage. And do you really want to tell you? Well, maybe you do. I mean, I don't have a television, but because I don't have one doesn't say that you shouldn't have one. I really like this van. Of all the vans I've seen at this event, this is certainly within my top 5 so far. This is just day 1 for me, but this is great. I really appreciate this van. I'd have to say also that okay, I mean, I do appreciate the prices. It is a lot of money, but comparatively speaking, you know, there are vans which have nowhere near the facilities that this one has, with the winterproofing, with all this stuff, and particularly the small footprint. This is really very interesting. It's on a Fiat 2.3 multi-jet, as are 70% of all motorhomes. So what do you think? I think it's brilliant. Anyway, let's go outside and have a final look at it. Oh, we'll have a look at this 883F as well. That's brilliant. And we'll probably be having a look at some of this. So there we go. What a great van.